Windows are more than just functional features of a home. They are key elements of its character and style. For homeowners in Nampa, custom awning windows offer a versatile and distinctive option to enhance the look and feel of your home. These top-hinged windows open outward, creating a unique aesthetic while offering practical benefits like improved ventilation, energy efficiency, and weather protection. Here's how custom awning windows can complement unique Nampa home designs and elevate your living spaces. Aesthetic versatility for any home design. Custom awning windows are highly adaptable and can be tailored to suit various architectural styles, from modern to traditional. Design features. Sleek and modern appeal. Their clean, minimalist lines make them a perfect fit for contemporary homes. Traditional charm. When paired with classic materials like wood frames or divided light grids, they blend seamlessly with historic or craftsman-style homes. Custom shapes and sizes. Awning windows can be designed in a variety of dimensions to match the unique proportions of your home. Their flexibility allows homeowners in Nampa to create a cohesive look that enhances their home's overall design. Enhancing natural light. Awning windows are designed with large glass panes that maximize natural light while maintaining privacy. This makes them an excellent choice for brightening interior spaces without sacrificing comfort. Lighting benefits. Ample daylight. Fill your rooms with natural light, reducing the need for artificial lighting during the day. Privacy control. Their unique placement, often higher on walls, allows light to enter without compromising privacy. Design pairing. Combine awning windows with larger fixed windows for expansive views and brighter interiors. For homeowners in Nampa, abundant natural light adds warmth and openness, creating inviting and vibrant living spaces. Superior ventilation and airflow. The outward opening design of awning windows provides excellent ventilation, making them ideal for improving indoor air quality and comfort. Ventilation features. All-weather airflow. Open them during light rain without worrying about water entering your home, thanks to their slanted design. Cross ventilation. Place awning windows strategically to promote airflow throughout your home, especially in stuffy areas like kitchens and bathrooms. Custom placement. Install them higher on walls to let in fresh air while maintaining privacy and maximizing wall space. By enhancing airflow, awning windows help Nampa homeowners create healthier, more comfortable indoor environments. Energy efficiency for Nampa's climate. Custom awning windows are designed with energy efficiency in mind, helping to reduce heating and cooling costs year-round. Energy-saving features. Insulated glass. Double or triple glazing with gas fills minimizes heat transfer. Low E coatings. Reflect heat and UV rays, keeping your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. Durable seals. Tight weatherproof seals prevent drafts and maintain indoor temperatures. Energy-efficient awning windows are particularly beneficial for Nampa's climate, where seasonal temperature changes can impact energy consumption. Unique functionality in any room. Awning windows are versatile and functional, making them suitable for a variety of spaces in your home. Ideal applications. Kitchens. Install above countertops or sinks for ventilation without sacrificing workspace. Bathrooms. Place higher on walls to allow airflow while maintaining privacy. Living rooms. Pair with picture windows for a combination of ventilation and unobstructed views. Basements. Use in lower-level spaces to bring in light and fresh air. Their adaptability ensures that awning windows meet both the practical and aesthetic needs of every room in your home. Durable materials for long-lasting performance. Custom awning windows are built to withstand the challenges of Nampa's weather, from rainy seasons to hot summers. Material options. Vinyl. Low maintenance and resistant to warping, cracking, or fading. Fiberglass. Extremely durable and energy efficient, ideal for long-term performance. Wood. Offers a timeless look with proper treatment for moisture resistance. Choose materials that match your home's style and maintenance preferences to ensure durability and beauty. Boosting curb appeal and home value. Installing custom awning windows can enhance the exterior appearance of your home and increase its market value. Curb appeal benefits. Unique aesthetic. Awning windows add character and charm to your home's facade. Customization options. Select from various frame colors, finishes, and hardware to complement your home's design. Increased value. Modern, energy-efficient windows are a selling point for potential buyers, making your property more desirable. For Nampa homeowners, custom awning windows offer both style and a strong return on investment. Partnering with professionals for customization. To get the most out of custom awning windows, it's essential to work with a trusted window professional in Nampa. Why choose professionals? Expert guidance. Receive recommendations on materials, designs, and placement that align with your home's unique features. Precision installation. Ensure your windows fit perfectly for optimal performance and aesthetics. High-quality craftsmanship. Benefit from durable, expertly installed windows that last for years. A professional team ensures your custom awning windows enhance your home's functionality and beauty. Final thought. Custom awning windows are a versatile and stylish solution for enhancing Nampa home designs. With their ability to maximize natural light, improve ventilation, and boost energy efficiency, these windows are a practical and beautiful addition to any property. If you're ready to transform your home with custom awning windows, contact a trusted window professional in Nampa. With their expertise, you can design and install windows that perfectly match your vision and elevate your home's unique style.